Why is the sky blue? That's light, an invisible artist painting the whole sky. Sunlight looks white, but white light is hiding a secret. More than 350 years ago, a scientist named Isaac Newton passed sunlight through a glass prism, and it split into all the colors of the rainbow. White light is really a mix of every color. Here's the trick. Try this at home. A glass of water plus a tiny splash of milk. The milk drops float in the water just like air particles float in the sky. Now grab a flashlight or your phone's light and shine it from the top like the noon sun. And look, the water glows blue. The light bumps into the particles and they scatter the blue everywhere, exactly like air scatters blue light across the sky. Now shine the light from the side. Liquid looks yellow. On that long journey through the water, the blue got scattered away, and that's exactly what happens every evening. The setting sun's light travels through much more air, loses all its blue on the way, and paints the sky red. But in space, with no air at all, the sky is always black. That's why telescopes live on mountaintops and in space. Less air means a clearer view of the stars, so white light secretly carries every color inside. But wait, point a light at a cat in the dark, and its eyes glow back at you like two little lamps. Why do animal eyes shine at night? Find out next time.